Hello everyone, today I bring you my new work, which is the scene transformed from a plate in front of me. I placed a small house, then added the back of the finger on the shore and the original ocean. I placed 2 baby dolphins. What about the design and system? It was mainly transformed at the request of netizens. There is another very special point of this work, that is the white wave part of the waves. I added light materials too. Now the scene is bathed in blue, resembling the captivating Blue Tears beach. Let me demonstrate the mesmerizing blue waves effect. To enhance visibility, I'll use purple light to highlight the details of the waves. After showcasing it for a moment, I switched off the purple light to let the natural colors shine. Now you can clearly see the striking effect. The glowing blue light creates a stunning visual impact. The entire beach exudes breathtaking beauty. In the accompanying video, I'll guide you through the process of crafting this enchanting moonlit beach wave depiction. Interested friends can give me a one-click-through connection, and then let's enter the production process.